In a bright, cheerful living room, a mother lovingly teaches her children the proper manners of sneezing, emphasizing the importance of using a tissue and covering their mouths to stay healthy and considerate. As the lesson unfolds, the children eagerly practice sneezing into their elbows, giggling as their mother praises their efforts, creating a fun and educational atmosphere filled with love and laughter. With a colorful poster as their guide, the mother engages her children in understanding sneezing etiquette, turning the lesson into an interactive experience filled with enthusiasm and bright ideas. As creativity takes flight, the mother and her children work together to create colorful posters that reinforce their sneezing manners, allowing them to express their newfound knowledge in an artistic and fun way. To further instill the lesson, the mother reads a captivating story that features characters who model excellent sneezing manners, captivating her children's imaginations and reinforcing the importance of health in a delightful way.